Windows 10 is much more focused on cloud-based communications and more importantly, security. MCSA, Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate in Windows 10, requires the passing of 2 exams. The course structure to go along with those 2 exams is 4 separate classes. That's 20 days of training. There are 4 separate courses, 20697-1, 20697-2.
Like a computer.
Yeah, 20698 and 10982. The 10982 is an outstanding course. The other courses are how do you install Windows 10? Can I use the free tools that I can download from the internet to roll it out? Can I take a picture of a disk, which we call the image, and modify the image without reloading the entire operating system? And yes, we can do that now.